enjoy putting a seasonal mantle together. I normally do a mantle in the fall, and then I do a mantle for Christmas, sometimes even for winter. However, we were thick in the middle of renovations for fall and Christmas and even winter, so I decided for the very first time that I would do a spring Easter mantle. So I just kind of dug into my imagination and I came up with some things that I wanted to use, and I'm just going to show you guys the process and show you how it turned out. And I think I might do this again next year, and then I can add to it a little bit and fill it in a little bit more and decide what I might want to change up or what I might want to keep. But you might enjoy going through this process with me. So we're just going to start with the first layer. So I am going to start the first layer of my mantle, and I just have 2 of these spring garlands, and I just chose this lighter shade. So I'm just going to start with these.
Find rest, find peace, find joy. You're here with me. Blue sky, just breathe. Starry.
So now that I have that first layer on, I'm gonna go in with 2 of these. These are just like some hanging stems, so they will kind of drape over, and I think I'm going to put one on each side.
Night, yeah, I know you're free. 'Cause when I gave you breath, yeah, I made you with a smile. And when I made your heart beat, I gave you hope for miles. You got what you need, yeah, I put it right inside you. It's inside.
So now I want to continue my layering with some large eucalyptus. I think I will probably cut each little branch off so that I can disperse it throughout the mantle.
But when it all comes crashing down, and all the lies you hear get loud, trying to find your right, caught in the fog, stuck in the midnight.
Now I think this is the last that I'm going to add of greenery, and that is some mini eucalyptus. It's a little bit darker than the larger eucalyptus. So I'm probably going to, like I did with the larger one, cut this into smaller little pieces so I can just stuff it into different places.
I know your sun is coming out, and you're gonna be okay. Yeah, you're gonna be okay. You're scared and you're worried. What is the outcome gonna be? Oh, you're paralyzed, a fear that keeps.
Now that I have my greenery added, I am going to go in with these 2 little picks that have little eggs on them. Unfortunately, they only had 2, so I did buy a little bag of matching eggs, so I might have to put those throughout, but I'm going to hold off on those and put those to the side and just go ahead and add these picks.
Your soul from singing is so.
I did find these 2 little things of carrots, and I do want to add this to my little mantle as well. I am just going to find a place to just kind of lay it on the mantle, but if you want to do something different or you want it to stand up, you could always like connect like fishing line or some type of other holder to the back to hold it in place, but I am okay with not doing that.
But when I gave you breath, yeah, I made you with a smile. And when I made your heart beat, I gave you hope for miles.
Okay, I played around with the carrots off camera, and I decided to put one on each side of the pot up there. And I'm actually gonna have tulips in this pot whenever I am finished. This is the first time I've ever done like an actual Easter mantle. I do normally put tulips in these little pots. Sorry, this one's like really off there. But normally I do put tulips in the pot, but that's all I do for spring. This is the first time I've done anything for my mantle. And I have some bunnies that I'm thinking I might put like 1 or 2 right here. And I'm gonna hold off on placing these eggs, I think, today. So I'm just gonna take this ribbon. I got 2 things of it, and I'm just gonna make 2 big bows. One will go on this side of the mantle, and the other one will go on the other side of the mantle, and then we will be ready to finish it up. I have not worked on this mantle in a week. Do I normally let a project sit for a week? No. But honestly, I wanted to just kind of give it some time. I wanted to look at it just to make sure that I did not want anything fuller, or just to kind of see what I wanted to add. I just wanted to adjust to it basically. Plus I was out of town over the weekend. I did add this little pick that I found whenever I was going through my spring Easter decor in storage, and I just kind of stuck it right here in the middle. So I'm gonna put that back. I also I made 2 long ribbons with this material that I got, but I do not think, unless something changes, I do not think I'm gonna add the ribbon. I'm just not in love with it, and it has these little, I don't know if you can see this or not, but it has these little things all over it, and they shed like crazy. So just making the ribbon itself, when I was creating that, it just got all over me, got all in the floor. So I don't think I want to spend the whole spring Easter season cleaning up ribbon. So I'm trying to see if I can go in a little bit different direction, especially since I've looked at things. And I did get these eggs at Michael's when I got my greenery and my little picks. So what I'm gonna hope for, so I have these eggs, and I'm hoping that I can fit something down inside them. I'm hoping that there's styrofoam. I think that there's styrofoam inside them. Hope, fingers crossed. But what I'm gonna try to do is I'm going to take the egg, and then I had to get very creative. I went through my little crafting. I had to get creative, and I went through my crafting stuff, my supplies, and I found like a little straight pin that has a little circle on it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to stick it down in here. Let's see if it works. It does, it works. So I'm gonna stick it in here, and then I'm going to take some fishing line, and I'm going to tie it, and I'm going to have a few of these hanging down from the mantle. So I'm going to make all of these, and then we're going to put some on the mantle.
You got what you need, yeah, I put it right inside you. It's inside of you. But when it all comes crashing down, and all the lies you hear get loud, you're trying to find your light, caught in a fog, stuck in the midnight. You know your sun is coming out, and you're gonna be okay. Yeah, you're gonna be okay. Oh, yeah, you're gonna be okay. Yeah, you're gonna be okay. Cause when I gave you breath, yeah, I made you with a smile. And when I made your heart beat, I gave you hope for miles. And you got what you need, yeah, I put it right inside you. Find rest, find peace, find joy. You're here with me. Blue sky, just breathe. Starry night, yeah, no, you're free.
So now I'm going to add the final layers. I'm not sure. I picked up a few rabbits because I think I want to put a rabbit in the middle. I'm not sure which one. So I just kind of went through my decor and I found this silver one. I found this green one. I have this pick and it kind of got like the little pick part is, I guess I would have to like fix it, but if I want to put it on there, I want to put it just like this anyway. So I'm going to try this one. I found these two little bunnies. And then I found just this solid white one. So I'm thinking that one of these will work for the middle if I decide to use anything. And then I have two of these. They're just tulips that I collected for each pot. This is my first time ever having an Easter garland up here. So I'm just gonna have to kind of see how it looks. And then I think on my lanterns, I'm going to add the ribbon that I made and added to it last year. And then I should be finished. So I'm just adding those final little layers.
'Cause when I gave you breath, yeah, I made you with a smile. And when I made your heart beat, I gave you hope for miles. And you got what you need, yeah, I put it right inside you. It's inside of you. But when it all comes crashing down, and all the lies you hear get loud, trying to find your light, caught in a fog, stuck in the midnight. No, your sun is coming out, and you're gonna be okay. Yeah, you're gonna be okay. You're scared and you're worried. What is the outcome gonna be?
I just want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope this video motivated or inspired you in some way. And if you decide to create your own spring or Easter mantle, let me know down in the comments or send me a picture on Instagram. I would absolutely love to see those. Remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Oh, you're paralyzed, a fear that keeps your soul from singing. It's so tired and